Yes, yes. Welcome back again. Tuning in. Roping. Meet me at the corner. Down by your avenue. Gregory again, man. But anyway, this one again is another Jacob Miller from the Not Christmas album entitled Silver Bells. This is actually one of my favorite reggae Christmas jams, man. I love this one. Jacob Miller singing a Christmas carol, Natty Dread style. Well, the man was a comedian, man. Anyway, we're gonna start it off right now. No long talking. We're just gonna do some walking, right? Here we go. Jacob Miller with Silver Bells. Oh, in the ghetto. Man, that drummer is not playing around.
Let me hear you sing along.
What a tune, man. What a tune, what a tune, what a tune. Christmas time in the ghetto. Christmas time in the ghetto. Yeah, man, what a vibes. Like I said, man, every time you listen to Jacob Miller, man, you cannot listen to Jacob Miller and you don't hold a vibe. You're not moving, you're not grooving. You'd be losing. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what you'd be choosing. But I'm telling you, Jacob Miller, you know, when you go, that's called the bionic sound. You know, that was the sound that he considered it. Jacob Miller with the bionic sound. You know, yeah, man. The oh my God, man. Let me tell you something. Reggae music, reggae and reggae artists is some of the most creative artists in the world. I tell you, man. Them come up with so many styles and patterns and vibration. The reggae artists is some of the most creative people in the world. You know what I mean? The things, I mean, just Jamaicans and all, man. We're very creative people, man, with words, you know, with humor, how we say things, you know. Yeah, man, we're great, man. We're great. We're a great set of people. And that's what makes reggae music great. You dig? So, yes, that was Jacob Miller with Silver Bells. His version of Silver Bells. Rasta version of Silver Bells. Natty version of Silver Bells, right? Yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed that one. I did, you know. And like I said, I hope everyone is enjoying their Christmas season. You know, I hope you've done all you got the kiddies what they like and things like that. And for you that don't celebrate it, much respect and much love to you. But we over here so on Solid Rock Corner, you know, it's a vibe, right? And even if you don't celebrate it, you can't deny the vibe, because we have vibe, right? What's it? Not to Christmas, not to dread. See, yes. So that was Jacob Miller with his 1978 album with a tune entitled "Silver Bells." Right. So we're gonna keep it rolling and keep it strolling and keep it locked to Solid Rock. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Yeah, man.